still brand new.
Yep.
The adjustment has a little bit bigger of an impact on them.
Sure.
They could have a ton of energy. They could sleep all day. He could have really good bowel movements.
Yep.
He really shouldn't be sore or anything like that.
Josh, well, Poppy's here. Poppy's here. Poppy's here. Poppy's here. Poppy's here. Poppy's here. It's okay.
He probably just doesn't like the tummy time.
Huh?
He probably just doesn't like the tummy time.
Yeah. Joshua, don't worry. Don't worry, buddy. Josh. No worries.
There you go. You found it. You found it, buddy. I've never seen a baby with that thick of a neck. Maybe a football player. Sorry. There you go, bud. Here's some. Yeah. There's Rachel's face. How's she doing with it?
She's good. Yeah. Little baby brother. She pets him on the head like a little kitty cat and then runs off.
There it is.
He's comfy.
Yeah. Let's see one stuck on the right side. Sometimes they get a little fussy, like when we find that spot. Not like this when we find it on you guys. It's same thing. It's just they have no idea what pain is or what discomfort is. So when you find a spot, they're like, oh, it's kind of doesn't really feel too good, and then they just kind of chill out.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. You ready to fall asleep?
One of the things when we say we need it, right, is that not necessarily when we have pain is when we need it, right? It's usually when we have pain, we have
Yeah.
So we usually know when we need it.
Found it. A little bit on the lower cervicals on the right, on the left side. There you go. Just letting his head just relax down to the right. That's good. A little bit of a diastasis recti in the tummy. Same thing that Brooke has.
Mm-hmm.
So she may have always had it. It's
Mm-hmm.
been genetic. I think Angela actually had a little bit of it. Sometimes it closes up on its own.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Josh? It's okay. Poppy's here. Poppy's here. Poppy's here.
Feeling good, buddy. All right, you're all set.
Oh, you're done?
You did it.
Hey,
Congratulations, you got your first adjustment.
can you say thank you?